Kwezonu. Kwezonu. Why are you struggling to find a chair?
You're out. VAR.
What's going on?
Wait, guys.
We have a lot of debate, yeah? Let's come up to teach. I can't lie. I'm going to kick out Stefan. Just because one of the rules is about dancing. Fair enough he sat down here, but the other two actually danced. He was strolling. I don't know. Huh? Audience, what is the audience? I want to vote. Should Stefan be in there? Yeah! Or should we kick him out? Okay. If Stefan, I have to make some noise. Make some noise if Stefan should be out. Make some noise if Stefan should still be in. Team 6. Please. Let's go yourself to the audience.
We don't even have enough people.
To the audience. All right. How are you guys tonight? We got somebody in the building.
You don't have a group. Can you join this group? Yeah. Hello. Thank you. So Ashley has red card and green card. So each team will be given a red card and a green card. So when the audio is played, you have to decide if the audio is real Igbo or fake Igbo. So if it's real Igbo, you put the green card up and you have to keep it up. You can't change it. If you think it's fake Igbo, you put the red card up. You cannot whisper, so the person standing is representing the team. That means the team cannot communicate with the person.
When, in that round, when you hear the audio, you have to decide whether that audio you heard was real or fake. If there's fake words in that sentence, that counts as a fake audio. If there's pure just Igbo, like it's Igbo, then yeah. If it's Igbo, it's fake. Yeah?
And the correct answer is... He's the fake Igbo. Well done. So, the next audio. And the answer is...
Nalibo, as well as Nalibo, row half of 15. Oh yeah, they also believe.
Yeah, that's real.
Put it up, let me see. Put it up. And the real answer is... So you got 15.
But he said
that group got it wrong. Real Igbo or fake?
Wait.
All right. Let me put my hands up. I did say no in Igbo. I did say that. So I was wrong in that. I guess there's a little bit of Igbo, a little bit. As long as, no, so I can't lie. That's their point of contention is that it said 15. So if it didn't say 15, they would have been green. So I'll give them green.
Ịchafụ Igbo selekekwa Chukwukwa.
Repeat it again, please.
Mana Igbo seleche. Ịchafụ Igbo selekekwa Chukwukwa.
3, 2, 1.
No one is giving fake.
Alright, and fake or real?
Fake. And even I knew that.
What's your team, China?
Ịchafụ Igbo
No, you have two more. You have two more
Chukwukwa.
lines. So the next audio, please.
Ndị Bụlankwụla si Chigbo ka ọ makụọ Igbo.
You want to play again, please?
No.
Ndị Bụlankwụla si Chigbo ka ọ makụọ Igbo.
That's fake.
3, 2, 1. 6. Can you put it up, please? Let us see. You can't communicate with your teams. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Real or fake?
It's fake.
Ndị Bụlankwụla si Chigbo
So
ka
team
ọ
six.
makụọ Igbo.
Kwutere na mmehie ga-adị dịka nwoke a onye ụlọ ya gara.
That's
3,
real.
2, 1.
That's real. That's real.
Real. That's very real. Next one. Can you play again, please? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's fake. Alright, next one.
Arịkọ mụrụ Igbo Chukwu n'ike ntụ jikọ n'ihe.
Can you play again, please?
Arịkọ mụrụ Igbo Chukwu n'ike ntụ jikọ n'ihe.
3, 2, 1.
That's fake.
Keep it up high. Let me see it.
It's fake.
It's fake.
It's fake.
Arịkọ mụrụ Igbo Chukwu n'ike ntụ.
So what team? They got it wrong. Team 4 and someone here.
Okay, team 6 and team 3, you're on your last slide.
Next person, please. Nominate someone else.
Amen.
Nominate somebody else. Take a chance. You'll be surprised you might know. Can you stand up, please, with your cards? Thank you. Can we have the next audio, please? Stop talking, because you're going to be disqualified. Stop talking, please. Start again. Thank you.
Ndụ nke ugbu a dị mkpirisi, mana ndụ nke anyị ga-adị ma ọ bụrụ na anyị nwụọ.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, that's correct.
Yep, well done. The next audio, please.
Kwami kulima okamnyem magia kakanjem no kamnyem dishim.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, that's fake.
Yeah.
Kwami kulima okamnyem magia kakanjem no kamnyem dishim.
Right. The next.
That's real.
Next one.
Igwe mazan no wanda. Opo, onwugo an mazan.
Can you play again, please?
Igwe mazan no wanda. Opo, onwugo an mazan.
They're communicating with each other, you know. Stop talking to your team members. Last one.
Igwe mazan no wanda. Opo, onwugo an mazan.
3, 2, 1. Can I have cards up?
It's correct.
So, team 5. Can you put your cards up? Put your cards up.
That's real.
Emeghe na-agariwe ka ịnwale kewa Igbo.
3, 2, 1. Can I have cards up?
No, it's real. It's real. It's real. It's real.
It's fake.
We have a winner. We have a winner. Well done, everybody. We are
All right, guys. We're gonna count you down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna move on, guys. I hope you got something on the page. Number 8. Which Igbo footballer played for Chelsea from 2006 to 2017? Guys, this is easy. This is easy money. On to question 9. Junior, line us up. Guys, who famously said, I can't even read that. Eromancia. No one should ever say that Igbo men don't know how to romance. Guys, I'm gonna count you down. We're gonna move on to the next question. All right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you have something on your page. Hey, who is the person in this picture? Can you see? Guys, can everyone see? Who is the person in that picture?
I knew it.
You know what? When you find out who's in the picture, you'll be surprised because everybody knows this person. Guys, use your imagination. Who's that in the picture? We got the next question for you. Guys, what is the traditional ceremonial attire worn by Igbo men during special occasions and events? So what is the traditional ceremonial attire that's worn by Igbo men during ceremonies and big events?
No, it's actually okay. It's actually okay. It's actually okay.
I'm going to say this again for you. There are 2 Igboid languages. Igbo, with all of its dialects. What is the name of the other Igboid language? So just, guys, rack your head. Think of Nigeria. What language in Nigeria is the most similar to Igbo? That's not a dialect. Oh, please, the last 5 seconds, don't cheat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Everyone's please put your pens down. This group over here, what are you doing? So in last place, in 4th place, team 1 and team 4, both of you got 14 out of 20.
Woo! Woo, woo, woo.
Can we give them a round of applause?
Yes, clap for them.
Guys, in 3rd place, bronze medal. Okay, we've got with 15 out of 20, team 5. Woo! Can we give them a round of applause?
The self-proclaimed winners team.
In 2nd place, we have with 17 out of 20, team 2.
Woo!
And we have, unfortunately, we have joint winners with 18 out of 20, team 3 and team 6. Don't celebrate yet. Don't celebrate yet because we only have 1 set of prizes. So what we need to do now is we need to do a sudden knockout, okay? So got team 6 and team 3. So team 3 is here. Team 6. Okay, I'm going to randomly get one person from each group as a representative. Representative of team 6, put your hand up. Can we give her a round of applause? Woo! Representative of team 3, can you put your hand up? Can we give her a round of applause? For the culture, for the final prize.
You want to win with
I believe in you guys. This is team 3 and this is team 6, right?
Yeah.
Swap places, please. So I don't want any Morse code or any sign language, please.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, are we ready?
Aham paragine. Okpara namuzo nonugi. Nukuonugi aham paragine. Okpara namuzo nonugi.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. Okay, guys, can we both turn? Guys, can we both turn around? So we've got 1 green and 1 red. It's test run. Wait. Wait, guys. The boss is saying it's a test run, so everybody knows. Can you play it again? We've got some. Ooh, okay. Is everyone? All right, guys, can you turn around?
Up.
Chinya, can we get the answer?
Can you explain why you...
No. All right. Why did you choose green?
I chose green because it just felt right.
Why did you choose red?
Some of the syllables are like weird. I don't know.
All right. What is the final answer? Guys. Guys. Can we have the winning team from the center, please? Guys, can we have the winning team up? Please?
What? They won twice, you know. Cheese. They won twice. Yeah.
They won both times.
They won twice.
Guys, can we give them a big round of applause? Chop. Ibo Kwenu.
Hey.
Kwezonu. Hey. Can you bring them the prize, please? For the winning team, we have an entire box of plantain crisps. Guys, can we give them a round of applause? Well done. Guys, I want to thank everybody for coming. Okay, we have some time to mingle and to eat some food. Oh, and we have some words from my dad.
Hi guys. Okay, so there's going to be some food at the back in an orderly fashion. Orderly fashion. One, like zero, guys. Thank you. Yeah, there's some food at the back. I'm going to bring it out. If you want to warm it up, there is a kitchen at the back. But it should be warm. But if you like your distinct voice.
So yeah, we just want to say thank you very much for coming out tonight, guys. Make some noise for yourself. This is Okwu ID's first event for tonight. Pardon me? Thank you very much for coming out tonight. Thank you very much for coming out tonight. Yeah, man, get home safely and there's food. Enjoy a vibe. I'm feeling good. Are you feeling good tonight?
Woo! Sing for us! Ashley, sing for us! Sing for us!
What should I sing?
What you are singing right now?
Morning, boy, I need you now. Yeah, I have something when I see it and I find it. I know what you like. I feel it calling. Time is of the essence. I'm not singing.
Guys. Okay, there's been a tragic turn of events. No. Okay, so what team are you? Team 2. So unfortunately, I'm taking all the blame here. It was my mistake. So team 2, you have to put it right. We're not corrupt politicians. Team 2, the second question was, what was the capital of Nigeria in 1992? The correct answer was Abuja, because literally a few months before, they changed the capital from Lagos to Abuja. So I'm afraid that we're gonna have to We're gonna have to give the gift away. No. No, huh? So what did you put? No, your answer was the answer wrong, all right? No, it does. Guys, I'm afraid.
I know we all thought. Unfortunately, INEC has made the decision that you should have the leftovers.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Tell us your name.
My name is Bonnie Chibweze Odella.
How are you?
I'm doing good. I'm doing grand, yeah.
So we just came out from the Okwu ID event. Tell us, how was it?
It was amazing. It was really good. I've been to a few open Okwu ID events in the past year or so.
Yeah.
And it's always really good to come back and see some familiar faces and to meet some new faces as well. So yeah, it's great.
So what was your favorite part of the whole event?
Definitely the musical chairs.
The musical chairs.
Extremely competitive.
Did you win?
We should have won, but I'm saying nothing after that. Yeah, but it was good.
Nearly does not kill a bird.
That is true.
This has been a really fun event. Thanks to Miriam, especially.
Thanks to you.
Look, we're matching.
Yes, Okwu ID team.
Yes, this is our name in Insibili. Come on.
That's it.
Details.
Do you know about it? Do you know about it?
Do you know about?
Yes. Our next event is going to be what?
It's a big secret, but the next big event that you should really pay attention to is
the Okwu Fest.
Yeah, ooh, yeah, I didn't play that song.
No, you didn't. Well, you did well with the trivia questions, though.
Or the songs.
Yeah.
Did you get any wrong?
I wasn't playing.
But in your mind.
I got the goddess of land.
Okay.
I got that one wrong. Yeah. But it's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's a learning experience.
It is.
You know, not everybody has an IQ of 250. Very few people do.
Yeah.
So, and I can't wait until I eat this jollof.
Oh, the jollof bands though. I've had it already.
Follow Okwu ID on Instagram.
Yes.
And you guys on TikTok, right?
Yeah, TikTok, YouTube.
My favorite everywhere on Twitter.
Okwu ID. Make sure you do that. Make sure.
Yes. That's it. Our Igbo gentlemen have spoken.
Come on.
That's it. Thank you. See you next time.
Catch you later.
Oh yeah, no, in that case, yeah. Hey, what's up?
How was the event?
Obviously, mustard popping. It was fantastic, extravagant, tantalizing, immaculate.
What was your favorite part?
Obviously, the favorite part was when we had the last game, which obviously I came late for, but I thought my team would win, but we were dead last. Yes, we were team 4. Yeah, we were team 4.
You didn't win any prize.
Of course, before Uncle. No. Nah, so unfortunately that was upsetting. But apart from that, though, I actually had a good time.
You had a good time?
Yeah.
You saw your friends?
Oh, yeah, no, so obviously some of my people. So
That's good. So we'll see you the next event?
Yeah, for sure.
Yes?
For sure, yeah.
Can you tell them to follow Okwu ID?
Follow Okwu ID on Instagram,
Instagram, TikTok,
and Twitter as well.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Second.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like, don't subscribe. Somebody will flog you in your dreams.
Bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow Okwu ID on Instagram, on YouTube, on TikTok, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. It's free. Thank you. Bye. Say bye.